guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So Fabfitfun actually sent me this winter box to open here on my channel, do kind of like a little unboxing. This is my very first time trying this out. This is not a sponsored video. They just sent me this to unbox here on my channel. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys and let you guys know if this is worth the value, because this has a lot of products in here. I have not opened this yet, but there's a lot of products in here that value up to $200 and you only paid like $40. With my code that I'm gonna put here on the screen, you only have to pay $40. So they have 4 boxes every year, so they have one in every season. So this is the winter box, and let's see what's in here because I heard that they put a lot of goodies in here. So let's open this up. Okay, yay! Okay, so let's see what's in here. It feels like Christmas. Thank you so much for sending me this. Okay, let's see. So the first thing in the box is this Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner. Oh, cool. Let's open this. I'm glad that this came in the box because I need to clean my brushes more often. My brushes sometimes are a little bit gross, and I think that's why I get acne, because I need to be more on top of cleaning them. I think you're supposed to clean them like every single time that you use them, and that is definitely not the case for me. So I definitely need this. So all you have to do is glide your makeup brush on here, and then you're supposed to, you don't even need liquid or a cleanser. So that's pretty nice. I'm actually gonna try it out. Okay, so I got my bronzer brush. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty. It's pretty brown from the bronzer, so I'm just gonna try and clean it. So this is the before. As you can see, before, kind of brown. So you just glide in circular motions. Oh wow, I definitely see some makeup coming off. I don't know if you guys can see that. I just find it interesting that you don't need a cleanser or water, which is kind of weird, kind of different. I mean, it might be cleaner, but it almost looks the same to me. But this is dirty. As you can see, this is the front, so this is a part that I just used that is pretty dirty, and then this is the back. So yeah, you can definitely see a difference. It looks way dirtier, like as you can see. See that? So the next thing in the box is actually this. So this is the makeup eraser. So let's open this up. This is to remove your makeup. So all you need to do is put a little bit of water, and this is supposed to take off your makeup. Stay tuned because I will be testing that out here on my channel. Okay, the next product is this. So this is lavender oil, and this is a body wash. Oh, this smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so relaxing. I mean, it's called Calm and Clean. So I can't wait to try this out. So the next thing in the box is actually, ooh. So they sent me this shampoo and conditioner. Thank you so much. Let's see what this smells like. Oh, so this is paraben and sulfate free. Oh, this smells so good too. Oh my god. So I've never tried this brand. Have you guys tried this brand? Is it R+Co? If you've tried this brand before, let me know in the comments down below if it's good, because I have not tried it ever. So I'm very excited to try this out. That's pretty cool that when you get these boxes you can try out new things, so that's always a plus. You can never have enough shampoo and conditioner, so this is awesome, and I'm glad that I got this in the box. Okay, another hair product. Oh, they know that I love hair products. How did you know? How did you know? So this is the DryBar Prep Rally. So this is a prime and prep detangler. Ooh, cool. So this is also kind of like a heat protectant, because it says that it protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to be using this to kind of like prep my hair before my blowouts, before I straighten my hair. Okay, so let's see what this smells like. I'm just going to spray a little bit on my hair. Oh, it smells so good. I'm so excited to try this out, especially right before I blow out my hair. So let's see what else is in the box. So, ooh, I was not expecting this. This is gonna be my everyday bag. So I'm like the type of person that never ever changes their bag, like their purse. So I'm so glad that I got this in the box, because now I can use it as my everyday bag, because my everyday bag is like this size, but I've been using it for months and months and months. I never switch it out. I just use the same one. I kind of get lazy when it comes to switching out my bag. So this is cute. So I'm gonna make this a little bit longer because I love crossbody bags. Yeah, this is super cute. I love this. This is like gonna be my everyday bag from now on because I need a new one, and this matches with everything. It's like a neutral color, so I'm so excited about this. I really like this bag. So I got some fake lashes. So I will be honest with you guys, I never wear fake lashes. Like even like at my cousin's wedding, I remember the makeup artist put fake lashes on me and I hated it. I hated it, and it was just so uncomfortable. They were like super heavy on me, on my eyes. They just didn't feel comfortable. So after a while, I thought I was gonna get used to it. I just took them off. I was like, and I threw them out at the wedding. These look very lightweight and they look very natural. So I might try this out. I might try them out for New Year's. We will see. But yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of lashes, which is like crazy because some people love lashes. I'm not really into fake lashes. So the last thing in the box is actually this right here. This is LashesMD eyelash and eyebrow conditioner. I'm definitely going to use this because mascara sometimes can really destroy my lashes and just kind of rip them off. So yeah, I guess you just apply this at night, like on your brows and lashes. So yeah, this is supposed to give you fuller looking eyelashes and eyebrows. So yeah, I definitely am gonna use this, and this is pretty pricey. This is $44, so that's the price of the whole box. So I mean, that's a pretty good deal. The product that I'm like mostly excited to try out is definitely this right here, because you guys know I try out a lot of hair tools here on my channel. So this is gonna help to protect my hair and also give it some shine, some moisture, and it's gonna help with detangling my hair. So I'm very excited to try this out, and I'm also very excited about this. I'm actually very excited about a lot of these products, but yeah, this is gonna be my everyday little bag. Okay, this video is kind of long, so I'm gonna end it right here. Let me know in the comments down below what type of videos you want to see next. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to try out any of these products in one of my videos. Also, any hair tools that you guys want me to test out, let me know. So this is the total value of the box right here. So as you can see, it's a lot more than what you have to pay, which is this $49.99, but if you use my code it's $40, so or $39.99. So yeah, I'm gonna link everything down below. Again, this is not sponsored. They just sent me this box to try it out and unbox it here on my channel, and I thought it would be really fun, a different type of video. If you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.